In this video you will know how to find the location of any person just in 3 methods, and you will search all the YouTube, you never find these videos. Search on the YouTube, you will find these videos that I have already seen all the videos. No videos work for me, just I have researched many videos I found, and I just only run 3 methods. That is very useful and very exact location finder. So let's start the video and watch the video on the 3 methods.
Subscribe this channel and click the bell icon for more incoming videos, and like the video and comment what you have question, if any question you have.
Number 3, in this method you have your browser, open your data. After data, open your browser. When you open your browser, I suggest you a website. For that website you need open your browser. After opening your browser, open new tab, and after new tab you have to search IP logger. Okay, IP logger is a website. After loading IP logger website, entering your all information and enter to the IP logger dashboard. Now you have wait for that. Now the IP logger website is open. So you have click on the sidebar. You have clicked on the sidebar and you see that I have used this website and find many locations. But now I use again from the start to tell all of you. Okay, so click on the 3 dot button. When you click on the 3 dot button, a dashboard is open to you. Now this is all the data I have recorded. So for that purpose you can do that. So when you click on the 3 dot button, so open the web page. After web page, enter here a image URL. So you need image URL, any URL. So I go to the YouTube and copy the YouTube URL. So for that purpose I write the youtube.com, and YouTube website is come. So I copy this URL and enter it into the IP logger website. Again I enter it into the IP logger website. When you enter the website, so get the URL, get the IP logger code. So enter the get. But no, I don't need YouTube, I need image URL. So for that purpose I go to the image and click on the any image URL. So copy the URL of the image and then paste it in the IP logger. So you will see that how can I do that. These all are the image, but these image are not opening. So I enter it in the image tab. When I enter on the image tab, you will see that there is images come, and I will click on the first image. So sorry for our internet speed is slow, but I want to tell all of you how to find the location, exact location. So first of all I click on this image and then click again to share it. So click on the share button and copy the link. I have copied this link and I will paste it in the IP logger website. So I paste it here. When you paste this link, get IP logger code. Click on the get IP logger code. After get, you will see that there are many options. First, link management, location tracking, invisible track. So you can click on the location track. After location track, there the IP logger website give you a links, 3 links. So you have to copy the first link, IP logger link for collecting statistics. First link, copy the first link, and then you have the ability, if you share this link with any person on the WhatsApp, on the Instagram, on any messages platform, and they click on this image, you will see their location. So I want to share it on the WhatsApp. You can share it in the email, in the anything you want. So I share it in the WhatsApp, and I again enter and I click on this link. So this website is come to me. So if any person click on this link, this page will be open to them, and you will get their information, their location. So you can see that this is the location in the IP logger website. I will show how I find has location in the IP. When you again enter to the IP logger website and you see that the location of that person. So how you can see that? In this web page you already see the location of the person that is present. I tell to you how it is. The third link is used for link, so copy the third link and paste it in the next tab. So I opening the next tab button, I open the next tab button and I enter the location web address here. So you will see the address of that person. So this is the location of that person who's click on the link. So you can send this link to any person who want your location. You want the location of that person. So send it in the email, send it in the Instagram, Facebook, anything you want. Okay. I zoom in the location and you can see that the exact location of that person. So when you enter to the IP logger website, there are three links. You can see the location in here, but this location is not showing correctly. So copy this link and paste it in the any tab and you will see the location of that person. That is the awesome and so really easily method, and you can find the location of any person in this easy method. So try it. Okay, now we go to the next lesson, the next method in which we can find the location of another person if this cannot work for you. Now we go to the second lesson, the second method in which we can find easily the location of any person. So in this method we again enter a new website, but in this website there show you our web page, IP address and the mobile which use them and the exact location. So for this purpose you have to enter the Canary token and open the Canary token website, and after opening this click on the first select your token. So in this token you have to select first URL token. When you select the URL token is the best. You don't understand all of this. So in the first link you have to enter the email in which you want the notification of that person who click on the link, who view on the link, who share on the link. This, if any person share the link, this website will show the information of that person. So this is a very efficient method and you can find easily of anything. So first enter the Gmail of any person who want you, and the next enter the things which you remember for that token. For example, you send to your cousin, so write cousin that I send this to my cousin, anything you want. And after that you have to copy that link and paste that link to any person. This is the easy method. When you paste this link, the information is collected to that website, and any person click on the link, again the information is collected to that person. So there are three things happen. For example, when you open the Canary token website, this is your token. So in this token you have copied this address, manage this token, click on the manage this token. After clicking on the manage this token, you have to click on the history. You will see the history. Okay, so for that purpose this is the location of that person. Okay, you can see, but if you scroll down, scroll up, you see all the things which is written in here. So you can see the anything, Pakistan, Punjab, anything, the mobile which they use this, the mobile is, you can see the Memo undergoes Huawei Android. Huawei mobile is using for this. You can see user agent. Okay, this is a very useful website, but don't try it more because this is very dangerous thing. Okay, this Canary token is very useful. This is used for commercial purposes, this is used in email, this is used in the messages, anything you need. Okay, but try to understand this. I don't tell anyone about this website, but I only tell you because you are my subscriber. Number one method, last method. In this method you need to install an app an app. That app is called, I have so installed the Telegram app and search Instagram Mr. Whip, my channel name. Now search Mr. Whip, you will see that. So in this you need to know that you have to install the things GB WhatsApp which I have tell to you. So this is the new WhatsApp, best WhatsApp. Search it in the search bar and you will find this web. So install this. After installing this, open this WhatsApp. When you open this WhatsApp, there are many features in this WhatsApp. So install this in my Telegram channel, Mr. Web. Okay, and so when you click on this button, you see all this information, weather. So if you click on the weather, so send this weather.com to that person. And tell them to see the weather. So when he click on this link, he enter to the website. He will enter to the website that is about weather. So he don't understand what you are doing, and you will find their location and anything you need. So for that purpose, when you see that waiting for clicking on this picture, you see waiting for clicking link to get location. So you have to wait that person click on this link. So when that person open your account and click on the link, then you will find their location. How is it possible? Now you can see that I sending message to that person, my data is not working, but now I will show you. Yes, now message is come to me. Okay, so when you click on this link, anyone click on this link, they redirected to this website, but again weather.com. So in weather.com, he will see and he will learn about the weather, and he don't know nothing about what you are doing in the background. So if he enter to this website, you will see their location. So I again enter to the WhatsApp and find that I get their location or not. So when now you have to go back and see in the WhatsApp GB, you see that this person is in the New York, United States. Okay, this is the correct location of that person. So you have already know about the location of that person. These all method I have explained to you, these three methods, and try it. You will find the answer of this question. And subscribe my channel, like the video and share the video for more purposes, for more educational video. Please, and watch the next video in the screen.